guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I have got a Umikk gel polish kit to swatch. So this is the 24-piece kit where you get 21 colours, a base coat, a top coat and a matte top coat. But I'm going to do this one a little bit different today, guys, because the lovely Nails by Cami has tagged me in this post that's going around at the moment called Would You Rather? So for those of you that haven't seen a video on this yet, it's basically 14 would you rather nail related questions. So I think in today's video what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch these gel polishes in the background and I shall answer the questions as I'm swatching. How does that sound? So I'm just going to quickly show you inside the box. To start with, you get your user manual, instructions, and you've got it in all different languages as well. They come packaged like this. You get 3 of these. So your colour gels are 5ml bottles, glass bottles. As most of you probably know now, I am a massive fan of these gel polishes. I found nearly all of these labels match exactly to the right colour. Exactly. I love the bottles. The bottles are just so sleek, classy looking. They're glass. Love them. I tend to find with these little 5ml bottles, if you get them in a plastic bottle, you end up knocking them over all the time. But because they're glass, they're that bit heavier. You don't knock these over. So yeah, you get 5ml in the colours, and then the base coat, the shiny top coat and the matte top coat, you get 10ml. Yeah, I do. I absolutely love these bottles. Love them. These would look lovely on a shelf. But unfortunately, I work out of my living room, so that's not possible right now. One day, I will have a proper nail area. Right, so I've already got my swatch sticks ready. Also want to quickly tell you as well, because I'm probably not going to be able to talk through this video while I'm answering these questions. The base coat cures in 60 seconds. The colour gels cure in 60 seconds. And the top coats, the 2 top coats cure in 90 seconds. I actually find in my lamp the top coat does cure in 60 seconds, but they do advise 90. So let's get swatching, shall we? And I'll get answering these questions. So here we go, guys. Question 1. Would you rather use only nail polish or gel polish? Now this one's easy for me. Gel polish all day, every day. I've got so many nail varnishes. I just don't use them no more. They're just sat there gathering dust. I find gel polish easier to use. I find it lasts longer. Yeah, it's so much better than nail varnish. Question 2. Would you rather use acrylic or polygel only? It'd have to be polygel. As much as I love acrylic, I love watching the application of acrylic. If you was to see my application of acrylic, you'd understand why I'd have to go with polygel. I really need to start practicing acrylic more, because I'd have loved for my answer to have been acrylic to that question. Question 3. Would you rather use only a hand file or an e-file? See, I do really enjoy using my e-file, especially for taking off and things. But I just don't think with the e-file you get that nice finish. I think you have to finish with a hand file. So if I have to pick one or the other, I think hand file. Question 4. Would you rather use only dried flowers or stickers? Stickers, any day. I just think, yeah, stickers, they're so much flatter, they're easier to use. Stickers, 100%. Question 5. Would you rather have a matte or glossy set? Matte. Most of you guys know I am a matte girl, hands down. Question 6. Would you rather use only glow-in-the-dark polish or colour changing? Glow-in-the-dark. I do like using glow-in-the-dark polishes. Question 7. Would you rather lose a pinky or lose a thumb? pinky any day. Definitely a pinky. You need your thumb for so many things. I couldn't be without my thumbs. No way. Definitely pinky. Question 8. Would you rather always have short or long nails? See, I do like having long nails. I love having long nails. But if it's always, I'd have to be short because there's a lot of things you can't do with long nails. So I'd have to say short, as much as it kills me to say that. Yeah, short nails. Question 9. Would you rather only wear white or black nails? See, I do like white nails, but I think with black nails there's so much more you can do. You can apply chrome powders over them, cat eyes. Yeah, definitely black. Question 10. Would you rather always wear stiletto nails or never wear stiletto nails? That is one shape I have never worn on my own hands. So I'm going to go with never wear stiletto nails. Question 11. Would you rather use a broken brush or a foundation brush to apply your product? This is a hard one. It depends on what product you're applying. What's broken on the brush, I guess. But then on a foundation brush, I suppose you can cut it to the shape that you want it. I'm going to go with foundation brush, I think. Yeah, because if the brush is broken, it could have no bristles, which is no good whatsoever. Yeah, I'm going to go with foundation brush. Question 12. Would you rather only practice on a real hand or a practice hand? Definitely a practice hand. Any day. You can do whatever design you want and they're not going to moan. Question 13. Would you rather only use tips or paper forms? Only a few weeks ago I would have said tips, but after using paper forms a couple of weeks ago and seeing the shape, the C-curve, definitely paper forms. Not only that, with tips you're kind of limited to the shape depending on what tips you've got. So yeah, with paper forms you can do any shape that you want. Definitely paper forms. So we're down to the last question now, guys. Question 14. Would you rather use press-ons or full cover tips? Now by that, I'm guessing press-ons are already decorated. Full cover tips are just plain tips. I'm guessing that's what they mean. If that's what the question means, then definitely full cover tips. Although there is a lot of designs to choose from now on press-ons, I still like to be able to create my own design. And I think they're a lot sturdier as well, full cover tips. I find the press-ons are quite flimsy. So yeah, full cover tips any day. So that's all 14 questions answered, guys. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this was passed on to me by the lovely Nails by Cami. I'm going to leave the link to everyone that's took part in this so far in my description box below. And I'm going to pass this on to Shell's Nails. I shall also leave the link to Shell's YouTube channel in my description box below as well. So if you don't already know Shell, please head over there and give her a follow. She's a newbie YouTuber and her nail art is on point, guys. She creates some really cool nails, so please head over and show her some love. I want to say thank you to Nails with Nina for putting all these questions together. I'm not sure if she's done a playlist, but if she has put a playlist together, I shall also put that in the description box below as well. So back to these gel polishes. These Umikk gel polishes are available to buy from Amazon. They're only $19.99 now, guys, for 24-piece set. So cheap. I shall leave the link for them in my description box below as well. They also do 6-piece sets, they do 4-piece sets, they do a base coat, top coat set. So yeah, head over to Amazon and check them out. They're really affordable and superb quality. They're just so creamy and opaque. I just can't fault them. I really enjoy using them. I don't think I said at the beginning of this video, this collection is the Autumn Winter 2 collection. They have so many different ones to choose from, so head on over there and take a look at what other ones they have. So that's them all swatched. They've all had 2 coats. Now I'm going to apply the Umikk non-wipe shiny top coat, and then I'm going to cure them all in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm only going to show you me doing this one because you don't need to see me top coat all of them. So that's them all had a coat of the shiny top coat, and now I'm going in with the Umikk matte top coat, and I'm just going to apply that to the bottom half of all the swatch sticks so you can see what they look like, shiny and matte. Both the top coats are non-wipe top coats, and the shiny top coat lasts for ages. It leaves the nails shiny for so long. And the matte top coat as well it has a really nice feel to it. It's super matte, but it's not got that rubbery feel to it like a lot of good matte top coats have. So there you are, guys. That's them all swatched. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.